In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the approval process for marketing emails in HubSpot. With HubSpot's intuitive tools, getting your marketing emails approved can be a seamless and efficient experience. Whether you're preparing for a major campaign or just sending out a simple newsletter, ensuring everything is perfect is crucial. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to open the marketing email tool within HubSpot. If you're unfamiliar with this, it's located within the HubSpot dashboard, and it's your go-to place for all things related to email marketing campaigns. This tool provides a centralized location to create, manage, and review your emails, helping you stay organized and efficient. Once you're inside the tool, create or select the email draft that you're ready to get approved. If you already have a draft in progress, simply open it. If not, you can start a new draft by selecting the appropriate options in the tool. Make sure your draft is as polished as it can be, because the better it is, the smoother the approval process will go. When you have your draft ready, the next step is to click on Request Approval. This action is crucial because it begins the formal approval process within HubSpot. By requesting approval, you ensure that the right eyes are on your email, making sure that everything from the subject line to the call to action is up to par. After clicking Request Approval, you'll need to assign approvers. This is where you select the individuals who will review and approve your email content. You can add comments during this step as well, providing context or addressing any specific aspects you need the reviewers to focus on. This is an excellent opportunity to communicate any particular details or insights you feel are relevant for the review process. In some cases, you might want to recall the approval request. Perhaps you've spotted a last-minute typo or you've received new information that changes the campaign details. No worries, HubSpot has you covered. To recall approval, simply access the approval request and select Recall or Cancel Approval. This will allow you to make any necessary adjustments without the approvers seeing the outdated or incorrect version. Once you've made your changes, it's time to resend for approval. Just follow the same process as before, ensuring your revised email meets all requirements before sending it through the approval pipeline once more. And there you have it. A straightforward process for getting your marketing emails approved in HubSpot. Remember, a smooth approval process not only saves you time but also enhances the overall effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. Make sure to utilize comments and feedback to refine your emails until they're just right. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.